Okay, so I want to answer one question from yesterday. So I was not sure exactly why on the reason I have a reason about question about this baked ziti and lasagna, right? What we said barem in mitzvot for sure. That's not a question, but the question is how is it different from the bagels, right? For we said for bagels we say it's 100% bread, even though first we boiled, cooked in boiling water, bagels, and then we bake them. So looks like very similar process with baked ziti or lasagna. So one of the explanations that they were like we're still looking into. I asked somebody to look into because I don't have those books wherein it's explained in details. I hope, but because it does not look like bread. So because all of these things like baked ziti you can eat without baking. You just cook and you can eat it like that. So people would not understand. And first, right? What are you doing? Why washing hands? It does not look like bread. So second, then yeah, that's two answers. It does not look like bread, and it can be eaten cooked. Okay.